Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm introducing Pacta Industry, a press-style review focused on practical solutions for electronic component testing, industrial connectivity, and cable harness crimping. If you work in electronics manufacturing, R&D, quality, or industrial purchasing, you already know the pressure. Components are smaller, faster, and more complex. Production timelines are tighter, and reliability expectations are higher than ever. In that context, testing and interconnection are not optional. They are part of what makes a product successful, repeatable, and safe. What Pacta Industry is. Pacta Industry is designed to help industrial teams navigate this ecosystem. It is inspired by a press review approach, but the objective is not to repeat headlines. The objective is to explain what solutions exist, why they matter, and how they fit together in real production environments. Across our content, we connect the dots between test performance, mechanical reliability, cycle time, maintenance, and total cost of ownership. The core focus: test and verification. Let's start with the backbone of the topic: testing electronic components and assemblies. A strong test process protects yield, delivery schedules, and brand reputation. It also reduces false failures, limits rework, and shortens debugging time. Pacta Industry covers key product families used in test environments, test interfaces, and fixtures. They are the bridge between the device under test and the measurement equipment. A well-designed interface improves repeatability, speeds up production, and reduces downtime. Test probes and spring-loaded contacts, small parts, big impact. Contact quality influences measurement stability, maintenance frequency, and the overall reliability of the test station. Test receptacles, contactors, and test sockets. These are essential when you need consistent alignment and controlled contact, especially for packaged devices and high-volume production. Programmers. Programming and verification often go together. The right programming solution supports traceability, process control, and product consistency. Interconnection systems. Mass interconnection makes test setups more modular and more maintainable. It helps reduce changeover time and improves long-term stability in production. Harness crimping, a major reliability factor. Now let's talk about cable harnesses and crimping. In many industries, harness quality is a critical point. A weak crimp, the wrong tool setting, or poor protection can create failures that are difficult to diagnose once the product is installed. That's why Pacta Industry also highlights workshop and assembly solutions, including crimping tools and crimping process consistency, cable protection with durable conduits, high ingress protection solutions, including IP-rated fittings, practical maintenance essentials that support reliability over time. Because in real industrial life, performance is not a single component. It's a complete chain that must work together. The solutions featured: Cotelec and Cotelec MBS Maroc. To make everything concrete, Pacta Industry presents solutions and services from Cotelec and Cotelec MBS Maroc. They are established leaders in their market, with more than 35 years of experience supporting industrial teams with electronics test solutions, interconnection, connectivity, and harness assembly tools. Leadership here is not just about offering products. It is about helping teams choose the right approach for their constraints. Prototype versus high volume, high speed requirements, mechanical constraints, maintenance strategy, and production ramp-up. Why this press-style review matters. So why do a press review approach at all? Because the landscape changes fast. Higher data rates, denser packaging, stricter quality requirements, and constant pressure to reduce downtime. Good technical watch helps you anticipate issues, compare technologies, and avoid costly mistakes. Pacta Industry is here to make that information usable, clearer, more practical, and closer to real production needs. To wrap up, Pacta Industry is a focused channel for industrial teams who want better visibility on electronics testing, connectivity, and cable harness crimping with practical insights and structured industry review. The solutions presented are backed by Cotelec and Cotelec MBS Maroc, market leaders with more than 35 years of presence. Thanks for watching. If you want to explore the right interfaces, probes, sockets, interconnection systems, programmers, or harness assembly solutions for your project, feel free to get in touch. See you in the next episode.